Welcome to our guide on the 3-minute pelvic power routine, specifically designed for men over 50 and 60. Understanding your pelvic floor is crucial for overall well-being, impacting everything from bladder control to core stability. Many men are unaware of these vital muscles, often associating them primarily with women's health. However, a strong pelvic floor is equally important for men, contributing significantly to urinary health and sexual function. This routine is designed to be gentle yet effective, requiring just 3 minutes of your day. Consistency is key, so aim to incorporate these exercises into your daily schedule. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, ensuring your body is relaxed. The first step is to identify your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine you are trying to stop the flow of urine or prevent passing gas. You should feel a gentle lift and squeeze in the area between your pubic bone and tailbone. Avoid tensing your buttocks, thighs, or abdominal muscles. The movement should be isolated to the pelvic floor. Once you've identified these muscles, we'll move on to the first exercise, slow contractions. Gently contract your pelvic floor muscles, hold for a count of 3, then slowly release for a count of 3. Repeat this sequence 10 times, focusing on the sensation of the muscles working. Next, we'll perform quick flicks. Rapidly contract and release your pelvic floor muscles. Perform 10 quick contractions, focusing on the speed and agility of the muscle movement. These quick flicks help improve the responsiveness of your pelvic floor. Finally, we'll do a sustained hold. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and hold for as long as you comfortably can, up to 10 seconds. Release slowly and take a moment to relax completely before repeating this sustained hold 2 more times. Remember, this entire routine should take approximately 3 minutes. Regular practice can lead to significant improvements in bladder control, core strength, and overall confidence. If you experience any pain or discomfort, please consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this routine empowers you to take control of your pelvic health.
Welcome to the second segment of our educational series, specifically designed for men over 50 and 60, focusing on vital aspects of men's health. Today, we're diving into the 3-minute pelvic power routine, a practical guide to strengthening your pelvic floor muscles for improved well-being. This routine is simple, effective, and can be easily integrated into your daily life, requiring just a few minutes of your time each day. We'll cover 3 key steps: the slow hold, the quick pulses, and the endurance hold, each designed to target different aspects of muscle strength. Let's begin with the first step, the slow hold. This exercise focuses on building sustained strength and control in your pelvic floor. To perform the slow hold, gently contract your pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to stop the flow of urine or prevent passing gas. Hold this contraction for a count of 5 seconds, feeling the muscles engage, then slowly release for another 5 seconds. Repeat this slow hold and release cycle 10 times. Remember to breathe normally throughout the exercise and avoid tensing other muscles. Next, we move to the quick pulses. This step targets the fast-twitch muscle fibers, crucial for quick responses and muscle agility. For quick pulses, rapidly contract and relax your pelvic floor muscles. Think of it as a series of short, sharp squeezes. Perform 10 quick pulses, focusing on the speed and distinctness of each contraction and relaxation. Don't hold the contraction. This helps improve the responsiveness of your pelvic floor, which is beneficial for various daily activities and overall control. Finally, we have the endurance hold. This exercise is designed to build stamina and long-lasting strength in your pelvic floor muscles. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and hold them for as long as you comfortably can, aiming for up to 10 seconds. Once you reach your maximum comfortable hold, slowly release the contraction. Rest for a few seconds, then repeat this endurance hold 5 times. This sustained effort is vital for maintaining muscle function over longer periods, contributing significantly to your personal well-being. Performing this entire 3-minute routine daily can lead to noticeable improvements in pelvic floor strength and overall quality of life. Consistency is key, so try to make this routine a regular part of your day. Even a few minutes can make a significant difference. Thank you for joining us in this segment. Stay tuned for more practical health tips in our ongoing series for men over 50 and 60.